First impressions matter, and when it comes to your home, the front door is often the centerpiece. It's one of the first things guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. In Scottsdale, where stylish architecture and outdoor living blend seamlessly, a beautiful, well-chosen entry door can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. Whether your goal is to modernize your home's exterior, add personality, or increase resale value, here's how a new door can make a big difference. Creating a fresh, updated look over time, doors can fade, warp, or simply look dated. A worn-out or outdated front door can drag down the entire appearance of your home. By replacing it with a modern design, you instantly refresh the look of your exterior. Bold color choices like deep red, navy, or sleek black can make your home stand out. Contemporary styles with clean lines fit perfectly with Scottsdale's desert modern aesthetic. Traditional or rustic designs can complement Southwest-inspired homes. A new door acts like a facelift for your home, instantly revitalizing its appearance. Enhancing architectural style. Scottsdale neighborhoods feature a mix of architectural designs, from contemporary desert retreats to Mediterranean-style villas. The right door helps highlight and harmonize with your home's architecture. Mediterranean homes benefit from wood or wrought iron accented doors. Modern homes shine with minimalist fiberglass or steel doors with glass inserts. Ranch-style or southwestern homes look warm and welcoming with rustic wood finishes. Customizing your door to match your home's unique architecture ensures a cohesive and eye-catching exterior. Boosting resale value. Investing in a new door isn't just about looks, it's also a cost-effective upgrade that adds real value. Studies show that replacing your entry door has one of the highest returns on investment among home improvement projects. For Scottsdale homeowners looking to sell, a stylish and secure new door can attract buyers with a polished first impression. Signal that the home has been well maintained. Increase perceived value without a major renovation. This small change can give you a competitive edge in the housing market. Adding personality and character. Your door says a lot about your style. From bold, modern glass panels to timeless wood grains, a new door is a simple way to express personality and character. Glass accents bring in natural light and create a warm welcome. Custom finishes let you match the desert tones of your landscaping. Unique hardware such as modern handles or wrought iron details adds a finishing touch. In Scottsdale's sunny climate, your door becomes a statement piece that sets the tone for your entire home. Improving security and functionality. A beautiful door should also make you feel secure. New doors often come with reinforced frames, advanced locks, and durable materials that improve both safety and functionality. Beyond boosting curb appeal, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Plus, modern materials like fiberglass and steel resist warping and fading, which means your new door will continue to look great for years with minimal maintenance. Complementing landscaping and outdoor design. Scottsdale homeowners take pride in their landscaping, from desert cacti gardens to Mediterranean courtyards. A new door can tie your landscaping and exterior together, creating a cohesive and inviting curb appeal. For example, a rustic wood door might pair beautifully with stone walkways, while a sleek modern door complements minimalist desert landscaping. Final thoughts for Scottsdale homeowners. Upgrading your entry door is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to improve curb appeal. A new door refreshes your home's look, highlights its architectural style, boosts resale value, and adds both personality and security. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more welcoming exterior, investing in a new door is a smart, stylish choice. With professional installation, you'll enjoy not just an updated appearance but also long-lasting performance tailored to Scottsdale's unique climate.